So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Time. You want to scroll down till we find Windows Time, double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Time service. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. This should not fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as an admin. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then sync your date and time like I showed you how to do in the second step, and this should not fix your problem. It should not be working.